For decades, RDL has been manufacturing high-quality electronic products in the U.S. for the audio and video installation industries. RDL products can be found behind the scenes in audio and video systems around the world, from hotels, restaurants, schools, and hospitals, to television stations and even ships and helicopters. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the RDL RCX room combining system. This easy-to-install, easy-to-use system provides AV installation professionals a versatile and extremely cost-effective combining solution for their clients. The heart of the RDL RCX room combining system is the RCX 5C system controller. Now, taking up only a single rack space, the controller can combine up to 5 rooms in any adjacent arrangement. Now, since all the programming software required to set up the system is built in, no computer is required and setup is a snap. The controller comes pre-programmed for a 2-room system. To add a 3rd, 4th, or 5th room, all it takes is a few simple key combinations during power-up to reconfigure the system. Now, looking at the front panel, each room has an independent audio input level control with RDL's dual LED VU meter above it, allowing you to easily monitor each room's input signal. On the right side, we see a series of 6 push buttons. These represent the walls between the rooms. Pressing a button activates an LED, verifying that the rooms sharing that wall are now combined. A Combine All button is also provided to make setup for those large functions even simpler. Once the system controller is set up, it's time to install the room controls and input panels. Looking at the rear panel, each channel on the controller can accommodate a mic and a line input. If a room only needs a microphone input, you'd install the RCX J1 microphone input panel. To add a line input, the RCX J3 adds a stereo summing input for a portable music player like an iPod. Now, to record a function, a balanced line output panel can also be added to the rooms. There are also inputs on the back for global background music and a master page override. When it comes time to use the system, RDL makes a variety of room controls to fit your application's design and decor. From the RCX1 push-button model, the RCX2 rotary volume control version, the RCX10R remote volume control, and the RCX3 featuring heavy-duty momentary key switches to keep unauthorized hands off. They also come in a variety of styles, from RDL's Ultra Style Neutral, Gray, or Brushed Stainless Steel. To ensure a lifetime of use, RDL uses only the highest quality optical rotary encoders to control the room volume. They are noise-free and they won't wear out. Now, to add that extra touch of class, an optional brass trim ring can be ordered for both the wall controls and the variety of input plates available. Up to 2 room controls can be connected in each room. To select sources and adjust the room volume, you simply press the music or local input buttons and turn the volume control. Now, if you have 2 room controls in a room, the source selection and the volume control LEDs will track each other. Another great feature of the RCX system is the ability to preset the audio levels during installation. This eliminates the system from ever being too loud when switching between sources. To make the RCX system even simpler for your clients to operate, the optional RCX CD1 control panel can be added to the system. Since this custom fabricated panel can be ordered with the actual floor plan and the room names of the facility, virtually anyone on your client's staff can set up the rooms with the touch of a few buttons. As a finishing touch, RDL can also add your client's artwork or facility logo to the panel. It comes ready to rack mount or can be mounted on a wall with the optional RCX BZL bezel. Now, for installers, wiring the RCX system is almost as easy as using it. Starting with the RCX 5C controller, you simply connect your room controls to the room control connector, your room input and output plates to the audio room connector. Then, connect your background music and master page sources to the audio input connector. Next, route the individual room line outputs to your amplifiers. Connecting the RCX CD1 remote is just as easy. You connect the remote control inputs and the status outputs to activate the panel's LEDs. If you're using switches in the wall to automatically combine the rooms, they also connect to the remote control inputs. We've touched on just a few of the many features the RCX room combining system has to offer. As an AV installation professional, the RCX system can provide you a competitive edge when offering a room combining system to your clients. It features RDL's renowned sound quality, durability, and is the easiest to install, easiest to use, and most affordable room combining system on the market. Give RDL a call today to see how RCX can fill your clients' room combining needs.